Open woodshop is all about, well, I guess whatever I want it to be about. It's, open. Recently it's been about adding resin casting to my woodworking toolbox. I really didn't know what I was doing when I started. That's typical. After a few tests, I found out that in order to get rid of bubbles, I needed a pressure pot. And they can be pretty pricey, but look it up on YouTube. You'll find that most people are converting a Harbor Freight pressure paint pot into a pressure pot. I'll be talking more about this stuff in later videos, but there's way more than enough good info right on YouTube if you're interested. The reason for getting into resin casting was to do a headstock inlay for this dulcimer guitar that I was making. The fly was one that my dad tied many, many years ago. He passed away just this year, and the dulcimer guitar was going to my brother, so I thought it kind of all tied together and it would be special. That was kind of fun, so I decided to cast a flower, and one thing led to another, and I found these HO gauge swimming people, and so this is what it ended up being. When I put the flower in the resin, it was pink and white. The next day, it turned autumn on me. I guess it's a paperweight? While waiting for the resin to cure, I was also able to push this ukulele project forward that I've been working on for a while. The spool clamps that I recently made worked out great for gluing the front and back plates on. Anyway, another busy week in the shop. Stay tuned because there will be more info on these and other projects. As always, thanks for following me around the shop. And now let's go make something.